Welcome guys to Mama Joan's house where it's hot. I mean, I said hot, I mean it hot like Scotch
Peppa!
Today guys, we are doing a food challenge. And you know this food challenge guys, we are challenge Reef, Kristen, D'Angelo and Ashley. Me and good up Ella in the kitchen. That must say we are top chef, but we're not top chef. Chef, we all can cook.
Yes.
So
I will not make no jerk chicken, no fried chicken, no rice and peas, no oxtail and no curry goat. We just have to chef it up.
So guys, we are gonna just get into it. I'm gonna see the performance. And so guys, before we get any further into this video, me did not like it, subscribe it, and hit that post notification bell things of mine. Okay guys? It's on!
It's on now. What you said, everything she said was good and is correct, but you said you're challenging us, right?
Yeah.
But you can challenge them, but you can't challenge me because I'm the champion.
None of us know what each other is cooking.
Alright, so none of us know what each other's cooking. We all have our dishes here and we have 45 minutes. 45 minutes.
45 minutes, yes.
45 minutes to make your dish.
No.
It is what it is. Once that timer goes off, everything is done. So your dish needs to be plated, set, and ready for the judges to taste it.
So who's gonna set up a timer?
I'll set up the timer. Set it up.
Okay.
You don't trust me because you know you're gonna lose. That's why.
Yeah,
You're already sweating.
Welcome to the real challenge.
Straight. Welcome. We're taking over. Just know that the underdog always comes up on top.
Facts.
Straight.
Some people already cheated, so.
Yup.
If you guys watch a UFC match or boxing match, the people that are always barking the most are the ones who lose.
Okay. All right.
And she was just barking.
That's it.
Now you're coming to defend?
They're trying to give us salmonella.
Now you're trying to come to
We're not making you're making chicken. You're gonna give us salmonella. We're not making
Why are you mad?
Honestly,
Shit, come in with your chest mode. I'm a Viking.
Yeah, right?
I'm a Viking.
It's okay. Let's get this puppet. Mom, are you ready? I'm ready.
3, 2, 1.
Start. 45 seconds. Let's go.
45 seconds.
45 minutes.
What are you cooking? Salmonella gotta get you.
45 minutes. Y'all already know what it is.
I'm like, this so wrong. It's so bad.
You already know what it is.
It doesn't even matter. All we need is little pieces. That's
We got
all
time,
we
guys. We got
need.
time. Don't cut your finger, baby.
Babe, it's okay if I cut the
Okay,
finger.
I'll cut it.
No, stop.
It's okay.
I need you.
No, it's fine.
Yeah, this part is gonna come off.
Y'all already know what it is, so guys. I'm not gonna tell you guys what we're making yet because we have some people in here.
Yeah.
We're just gonna be.
So I have my red peppers and my onions.
Speed up with the seasoning. Baby,
I
do a
really
good
need
job.
onion and rather scallion, but I'll just work with it.
Okay, how you want me to cut this pineapple? Like, you want me to chase it out?
Making your favorite.
Okay.
45 minutes. Cameraman, I'm going over here to the station.
Yo, don't come over there, my station.
Let's go.
This guys, I am making gonna make a peach sauce.
Look at that stuff in there.
Baby girl is doing her thing right now.
Listen.
She's cutting them up. Don't cut the finger.
Okay, I will be alright. I'm gonna color in here. You gotta go for the orange, you know?
Okay, guys, now we gotta do the cut out the strawberry and the pineapple.
Wow,
This is for my against burn because that one on.
The fire is kind of slow, but gotta work. We don't have to worry the fire over there, so we probably have to go steal it for about 8 minutes now.
The fire is slow. It's not going to do what me want it to.
Would you like this spoon? Excuse me?
What is this, Mom?
This is my egg noodles.
Pulling it apart.
You trying to kill me with
You better watch out.
with the salmonella and the iron.
In the
over there.
way.
Kill her with the salmonella iron.
Get out my way.
Guys, you guys can see there ain't nothing going on over here. Nothing happening over here, guys. Nothing happening over here. What they got? Don't even know what that is. Oh my God, they already boil hot water over there. What's that? Nougat? They ain't got nothing going on over here, guys. Nothing going on over here. Okay.
The craziest thing about this side is that they forgot that these two women feed them every day. Like, these are the women that feed them all the while. That's why they grow. That's why they grow as strong as they are and have as much sense as they do. And now they're talking about nothing is going on.
One task for the whole 45 minutes.
The guy has one task for the whole. Give me the
Guys, I'm gonna cook my shrimp.
As you can see, Mela's cooking the shrimp. And
This
I'm
guy's
sorry.
girl. What did she just say? What did she just say?
She's like, okay, it's okay, baby. You know what your tasks are.
For the 45 minutes. Look at this task. I empty the pineapple. You ain't doing shit.
It's okay, baby.
I'm seasoning up.
We one team, it don't matter.
You ain't doing
I'm
nothing.
seasoning up my flour for my
If
chicken,
we win,
adobe, some garlic plus oil, some
Oh,
paprika.
she's burning the house.
Stop that!
And it too.
I time to get my foot.
Simmer.
That's a great footage.
No,
Ruby.
I think it was like, I'm trying to make sure the house is
With my little wine on top of it, I can smell the aroma.
I don't care about the freaking
The wine smells so nice on it.
I don't know what that flavor is. It's okay.
Season the chicken.
This chicken look nice. What type of seasoning you have in your chicken?
Some paprika, garlic plus oil, and some adobe, whichever one you call it.
Okay,
One of
okay.
them there. And what Miss Data have here?
This is
This one is chicken seasoning.
And some chicken season. Whatever its name, I don't know, but my daughter says
it's the ultimate chicken season.
Mixed with adobe, with little pepper, little Scotch bonnet powder in there.
okay. So this is homemade. We
Yeah,
make this at home.
but your type of baku.
Okay.
Extra.
Looking good.
Alright, guys, so that's that going.
Just stress. Look at this. You're stressed up. You're stressed up. Cook that.
She
Stressed
cooked that.
up. I
Let's
see
go.
those standing next to you.
Let's get it.
These noodles steaming, my man.
Crazy people.
Alright, we got the rice on. Okay. We got the egg over there. You have let her cook something. Keep that instruction, but you gotta flip.
My burner.
If you guys already know, chef on there,
All we do is focus on
put a pot
cooking the
pan over
food.
that. That's it. Smother that fire.
At
That's
the
it.
end of the day, she almost burned down Mama Jones' house.
Green onions. Stop. The pineapple and get green onions.
Yeah! Guys, let's get the pot. Let's get it going.
No, but it can't go on.
Alright, babe.
Yeah.
Second batch.
What?
Second batch.
Yeah.
Where is no second batch of chicken? Where's the plate?
Right here.
Guys, I have my fish sauce. I also use it on my
You talk like you're shy around this. Talk up when you're talking.
bite me. I'm not talking to you. Garbage. You can't talk too loud or too soft. You don't want them know what is what. You don't want to spoil nothing. You don't want to give them nothing for them beg nor borrow. Just simmer down this.
My son was struggling, so I already told him to clean off the oil off of the bottom of the pot. Okay? So, everybody's struggling. Reef is struggling.
No,
Joy is struggling. Over here are doing good, but all of them struggling over there. Okay.
5 minutes left. What? 25 minutes left.
Get to cooking. I'm hungry.
Holy 25 minutes?
with the panko. Guys, we're about to turn this up. We're about to turn this up. That got a little bit of a mishap. Got a little bit of mishap earlier that everyone keeps worried about, but that's nothing. Because we're back and we're better.
That's okay, guys. Where's
Sesame seed
I'm
oil.
still going with it.
Yeah. Alright, we're doing a little bit of
No,
sauce,
man,
guys,
season
but,
up my pot.
You know, your food can't be...
Man is always trying to interfere. Watch him, splash him, splash him.
I'm helping my team.
Splash him,
You're
splash him.
helping your team?
Yeah, this is my team. That's what we do. We win.
Splash.
Oh, we do is win,
Beautiful
win,
this
win.
looks.
Mom, where's the ketchup?
These guys are singing about all they do is win, win, win.
Where?
Oh,
Fridge stock.
Baby,
Yeah.
ketchup.
Here we go.
oh, catch it up.
Put it in.
We need to catch up. We need to catch up.
Mom,
Yes, dear. Where
you
you
have
need now?
teriyaki?
Teriyaki, look on the door inside here. I used to get out of them something already.
I thought I got it. Though. I don't see it.
Guys, don't forget all our stuff ready and stop ask me when he's down with that there. They're
Taken
all
away
asking
from
me
your-
to help, taking away from my time.
Mommy's help over there.
Who's using mommy's help?
My mom's help.
It's her kitchen. I'm asking her some
Where
questions.
things where?
She's hiding stuff in her kitchen that we don't know about.
Okay. Yeah. Contaminated the old stuff.
18 minutes, guys. We're on the wire. And chicken not done fry yet. And still have to make the sauce.
But tell them, Grandma.
But Grandma will get it done, you know?
All right.
I'm squeezing my lemon juice on top. On it.
Prestige!
Are you cutting
Guys, I'm making some
Yeah.
sauce. This is I cooked some peach with some
Yes, baby.
bell pepper and some yogurt. And this is my sauce.
Why you giving my stuff?
No, I
See,
told her she could use it, but see,
why you think she could use it now?
It doesn't. I'm not.
They could have never finished their dish if they didn't take my stuff.
A knife? Really?
That's
I
it.
could have used my teeth.
Yeah. They're
This is
they could have
some-
never finished. I basically cooked their
Some mango, whatever season.
Really?
That's in the sauce.
Chipotle mango.
Chipotle mango.
Yeah.
Uncle Joe in the building. Say Uncle Joe say hi to Grandma's squad.
Chicken out going up. It's not the gang signs.
Grandma.
Alright. We got rice going in.
Okay, guys, we have 5 minutes left. 5 minutes left.
5 minutes?
Let's go. I'm hungry. 5 minutes left.
Yo.
Let's start cleaning up.
Okay. So we have the taco here. Okay. So my legs are
You put everything inside the sauce already?
Yeah. So let me get.
Okay. Watch these guys over. Watch
Listen,
these
man, we
guys
don't got
over.
much time.
Look at them cutting up
I got already sauce there.
Okay.
Where's the
Lots
big
of
knife?
juice. Okay. What these guys got over here? These guys not gonna be able to finish this inside 5 minutes. Hell no.
It's okay, babe. I got it. You don't have to do it.
I got it.
Sure? No, put our pork plating the.
How you feeling over there?
Yeah.
I feel good.
Ooh.
Listen, y'all. At the end of the day, we win.
Yeah. Come on.
Shrimp some sauce.
Yeah.
Yeah, we-
Shrimp some sauce.
You got this. You got this. The dogs on top. Look at this away.
All about the taste.
Alright, so first off, right, when they see the presentation,
Put
we're
one
gonna
that
call
can
the
go around
presentation,
that.
we're gonna
Can
see
go
the
around
food, we're gonna
that.
see the
Can go around
presentation,
it.
and then we're gonna obviously play the actual made. This is what you guys gonna get for a taste of it. Yeah. Look at that. Oh my God, look at that. Sauce big.
First of all, that looks wet and disgusting.
Okay.
That's all I gotta say.
Guys, you guys
nice.
And this looks wet and what?
No, that's when you put it in.
It's not all about presentation.
Okay, everyone, there's 1 minute left.
1 minute left?
1 minute left.
Holy shit. We already.
All about.
Done properly.
All right,
whatever.
10 seconds left.
Oh!
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
Okay.
4, 3, 2, 1. Drop it. That's it.
guys, this is my taco, chicken taco with my where your noodles name?
Elas.
A nice Chinese noodle. Ella Chinese noodle. So that's what we have there. Okay, so this is my food.
It's not Chinese noodles, you know.
You don't know where you make? I'm going to tell the people that where you make, but you know
It name Elas.
Okay, this is my taco chicken and Ella's noodles.
All right. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, that team sounds like they're having problems over there. Look, welcome to our station.
Yes, we have our jerk chicken egg rolls.
Cheers!
And baby, what else?
And then we have our jerk chicken fajitas as well. You know what I'm saying?
Because it gets hot over here.
Hot, sweet, and spicy.
Yes, because
that's
this
the
is
flavor
our
you're gonna
sweet
get.
chili sauce for everything. And the presentation is just on point.
On point.
And you know, everything is fried, looking sweet, looking nice, and it's going to taste even better. Chef's kiss.
Chef's kiss. Alright.
Are you guys done?
We are done. You gotta explain your food right now.
We don't need too many people. We don't need too many people to talk. Only one person needs to talk. So we one line. You already know what it is.
Okay.
Let them know.
So, would you guys like me to tell you what it is? So,
That's
in
it.
this beautiful pineapple dish that we have here. What? I was trying so she could see. What do you mean? So she could see. So in my beautiful pineapple bowl, I have my sweet teriyaki hoisin rock lobster tails,
Oh,
and then I have my bang bang shrimp,
Oh,
and my
gosh.
pineapple fried rice
Oh,
with
my
a little.
goodness. Oh my
You see,
There's a lot of sauce, babe. There's a lot of sauce.
You see, there's
wet
one
and
thing I
nasty.
have to say. She said my and not we.
Oh!
That show me that
We're
you.
one person.
You did it well.
Okay,
We're
we're
only
one
one.
person.
All he did was put the pineapple! Oh!
We are.
Alright, so we're gonna be calling the judges right now. Taste the food. So judge number 1, you can come through. Come through, judge number 1. Okay. We got Kira in the building. Alright.
I can start now?
Yeah, so you start from left to right.
Okay. I got a lobster. Oh, wow.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, she could even take no. She going crazy with it.
Right.
So far, so good.
Very authentic.
All right, next judge, you can come.
White head up.
Wait in the building.
What do we have here?
Take a bit of this.
Okay.
Bourbon chicken.
Nothing on this.
Oh!
This is real. Wow, I'm still saying wow.
Okay.
No?
I'll mix some of this. Oh.
Wow, I'm impressed. That's for you guys. You're not a judge. That's creative. I'm very picky. Wow. Ain't a breather. Next up. Oh wait, I wasn't supposed to take that.
It's fine. Just make sure you dip it in the sauce. You get me?
Like that?
This guy's zooming in. Trying to get a biased answer. Watch him zooming in.
Can I eat them together?
Yes.
Not much for me to try? There's not more for me to try?
No, that's it.
That's it, yes. So try and move on. That's
Is that a winner?
Yeah, stand beside what you think tastes the best for you.
I'm standing right here.
Okay.
I'm professional at this, so let me just get started with the first one.
Oh.
This is the plate I get?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's just a tasting, not a full plate.
Okay, just a
thing.
taste, just a taste. Got the rice.
Okay.
I like.
That's a lot of rice.
Whoa!
Okay, just taste. It's fine.
Okay. Let me get this. Let me calm down. That flavor is hitting. It's like tropical and good at the same time. Everything, I don't know how to explain it. That is amazing. Oh shit. Okay, guys. This is the next one. I like the presentation. It's like streetwear, like street outside. Okay. I see the flavor in the noodle. It has a little bit of spice that I like, but mild. Okay. I need a moment to chew. Crispy chicken on there. I love the texture of the chicken. I'm getting that crisp, I'm getting that crunch, I'm getting that coleslaw. I like the sauce on top. This is good. And last but not least.
And make sure you dip it in the sauce.
Yeah, that's the least. Yeah.
Last but not least. This is easy to eat. Okay.
Work your teeth if you need to.
Okay. I never tasted that like that before. I'm getting a little bit of a
What are you
spice.
worried about me for?
I'm getting a little bit of a spice in there. The sauce is good. It's added.
Why are you yelling like that?
Okay. I know. I like the chicken. I like the sauce. The lobster was good. That was good too, but this was better.
Alright. So far, Dino got it.
Say you guys did a good job on all of this. I like the way this looks. This is nice. Okay. Who we going with first? I like the fruit.
Okay.
And the spoons.
Taste of the earth.
Chef, some people do.
Oh, you wanna follow me?
No, I'm not. I see some people do. Oh, what's it called? Oh.
Okay, you're not for done it. I taste.
Sorry, mama.
Did you try some of the shrimp? Okay, did you try the shrimp? He tried the shrimp in the sauce. Some people love to talk about their sauce. This one always confuses everybody.
Narrow. Oh my god.
First time I've seen somebody eat noodles. Oh, spin. Oh. Whichever one stand beside the one that you think is the best one.
Wagwan.
Yeah, whichever one you think is the best one, stand beside that one.
The best explosion for me?
Yeah. Are you done?
Best explosion.
He's
Yeah.
nice. He has to be nice. He has to be nice.
You have no belly.
Granny, mommy, a strong boy you build, you know.
Look at that. What you have to say?
You know.
What you guys have to say?
Malik, you can eat the whole plate.
Come to the end of the video. Yes. And I clean up a little bit. But you know what? Mama John and good up Ella. We run things up in this. We lose out in the cookout. We run things in it. D'Angelo, the daughter said we run things in it. But you know what? D'Angelo wins, so we have to guess why we cook a whole heap of things. So you know them. Although we lose, we food them eat. We lose and after we food them eat. Yes. After the competition done. So, but we lose. You understand? But D'Angelo come first and Reef come second and we come third. But we are Reef tie anyway, so that's it guys. So anyway guys, I would like you to like, subscribe and hit that post notification bell. Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. And guys, just comment and tell us who you guys think win the thing too. Me, how we win. And right below if you want if you run another challenge or competition between any member of the family. Okay guys, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.